Hey everyone, now welcome to today's video. My name is Lucas, and if you've seen other videos of mine, you know that I've been working with tools like make.com or N8N. But today I discovered a new potential alternative for these different tools. It's called Google Opal or Opal, however you want to pronounce it. And when you're logged in, you see build, edit, and share mini AI apps using natural language. And we have a bunch of different examples. We have everything from a blog post writer to a city builder to claymation, fashion stylist, social media posts. But in today's video, what I want to do is I want to show you a couple use cases of what we can build here in this Google Opal regarding improving your site's SEO processes. And another cool thing that I forgot to mention is that supposedly Google Opal, since it's a Google tool, right, you can connect to these other types of Google tools like Google Sheets, Google Docs. You can even connect to Google APIs. So, that's something interesting to kind of keep in mind when building with this. And now before we, get into the weeds of this and start building something from scratch, we can go ahead and choose one of these examples from the gallery. And in this case, we can choose the blog post writer. So researches a topic and writes a blog post about it. So let's go ahead and click on this. And once we click on this, we get this type of like similar view to what we have in something like N8N or make.com, like with these different nodes. But in N8N or in make.com, you have different apps, right? Different separate apps. Here we kind of get like this clean UI, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on remix. So it's remixing right now. And now basically I guess I have it in my own profile, so I can go ahead and edit certain things. And up here we have the editor, and we have the app, and we have the preview over here, and we have the console, and we have the different themes, so we can change like the theme colors and all of that. So let's go ahead and click on the app and start testing this out. So we have blog post writer remix. Researches a topic and writes a blog post about it. So let's go ahead and click on start. So please provide the topic for the blog post. So in this case, we can say that we are like a company that sells truck parts, right? So we can go ahead and search like truck. You can say like truck headlights for off-road driving. Go ahead and click on submit. And now it is doing its research. And once it gets done generating, as you can see, first thing you see is this, AI generated image of this truck. It's a Jeep, really. It's not really a truck, but you see the headlights, you see the off-road driving. We get a title up here. We get different sections. We get like the introduction, the different, paragraphs over here. We don't really get a lot of we don't really get any types of external links to different websites, right? But we do get a full-on blog post with a conclusion at the end. And if we go into the editor, we can see we get the topic, we write the outline, it does a bit of research simultaneously and then brings it to the outline. It writes the post, it creates the banner image, and then this green one would be the final blog post. Now we can suggest an edit, right? Because we remix this, so we can say, before or after the image, let's add a table of context for this blog post. So now we can go ahead and try to do another blog post. And what's also cool is we can add from Google Drive. So if, let's say you have a specific list of different keywords, you can do that as well. We can even add from a YouTube video. So in this case, I'm just going to add one of Vasco's videos over here. Go ahead and click on copy, go back to Opal, click on paste, click on insert, and click on submit. All right, and now basically what it did, it got that YouTube video that I gave it, and it created that table of content. So that's how easy it is to basically go into the editor and use natural language to edit these specific types of automations. Now, the only solution that I'd see for something like Opal is to create some type of similar or simple automation, that you could eventually create a blog post with different chapters and text, but the limitation is that it doesn't really include external links. It doesn't really include links to videos that are very similar to the content that you're posting. And all in all, it's not very flexible when it comes to you as the owner of this content to go ahead and try to edit the specific data. Meaning, let's say that you like this title, but you would like to see more different variants. You'd have to now go into ChatGPT, copy this title, go into ChatGPT, paste that in, and ask for different variants. Maybe you don't like those, and maybe you want to do the same thing for this big piece of text. But there's actually this tool that I talk about a lot in my channel called Arvow.com, and you can basically generate different types of content. You can generate content from keywords or from news articles or even from YouTube videos, which we can do right now. So we can just paste in this YouTube video from before, and then you can edit a few things. You can edit the language, custom instructions, formatting, different images from this specific YouTube video. And then once that's done, you get this AI generated site. You can click on edit with AI, and then basically you get the video here. In the Opal one, you don't get the video. You have to continue kind of asking it to implement this. And then you can, for example, select certain text like this, highlight the text. You can add external links by going like this. And it's going to suggest you different links based on different keywords. Click on this, and you can see SEO results, repeatable organic strategy. If you click on one of those, it takes you to one of these external links. You have key takeaways, you have different chapters, you have a meta description, you have a featured image that you can change if you wanted to, and you can publish this article directly to your website. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it from today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'd like to know your opinions. What do you think? Opal or Arvow? What do you guys think about that? Please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.